So we are solving question from GATE 2019 electronics branch. This is 1 marks question and we have to find the value of F. F is the output for enable equal to 0 and enable equal to 1 respectively. So this is the circuit. There are two inputs, enable and D. This is input D. This is NOT gate, this is NAND gate and this is NOR gate. This is NOR gate. This is PMOS because this is bubble. So PMOS is always with a bubble. And this is NMOS. This is the output F. The gate with the bubble is PMOS. So remember that PMOS conducts when gate is on logic low. PMOS conducts when gate is at logic low. And NMOS conducts when gate is at logic high. When gate is at logic high. So PMOS conducts when voltage of gate is at logic low and NMOS conducts when voltage of gate is at logic high. So the input of this NAND gate is D.EN. This input is D and this input is enable. So output of NAND gate is D.EN whole bar. D.EN whole bar. So we can draw the circuit like this. We can draw the truth table. So this is enable, this is D and let this be X. X is the output of NAND gate and Y is the output of NOR gate. So this is X and this is Y. So there are four options possible for enable and D. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So this is NAND gate. So in NAND gate the output is high whenever any of the input is low. So this will be equal to 1, 1, 1. So and here the output will be low. So this is the NAND gate. And for NOR gate the output is, this is enable bar. This is enable bar. So output is enable bar plus, and this is D plus D whole bar. So this will be equal to enable dot D bar. Enable dot D bar. So this will be 0. This will be 0 and this will be 0 and this will be 1. Sorry, this will be 1 and this will be 0 because enable dot D bar. So enable and D bar will be 1. So 1 dot 1 is 1 and D bar is 0. So enable dot D bar is 0. So these are the outputs X and Y. Now we will see the output of the circuit. Now we will see the output of the circuit, which is F. So when enable is 0, then X and Y both are 1 and 0. So X is equal to 1 and Y is equal to 0. So PMOS does not conduct because PMOS conducts when gate is at logic low. So when X is 1, then PMOS does not conduct. And NMOS also does not conduct because NMOS conducts when gate is at logic high. So when X is 1 and Y is 0, then both of these, neither PMOS conducts nor NMOS conducts. So when neither PMOS conducts nor NMOS conducts, then output is open circuit. Output is neither connected to supply and output is also not connected to ground. When X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 0, then PMOS is also not conducting, NMOS is also not conducting. So output is neither connected to supply and output is also not connected to ground. So the value of output will be high impedance. The value of output will be high impedance. So when enable is 0, then the X is 1, Y is 0, and here also X is 1, Y is 0. So PMOS also does not conduct and NMOS also does not conduct. So output is neither connected to ground and output is also not connected to supply. So this state is called as high impedance state. Now when X is Now in these both, when x is also 1 and y is also equal to 1, When x is equal to 1, then PMOS is at logic low, so PMOS does not conduct. But y is equal to 1. In this case, x is equal to 1, so PMOS does not conduct, because PMOS conducts when the input of gate is logic low. But NMOS will conduct, because y is equal to 1 and NMOS conducts when gate is at logic high. So NMOS will conduct, so y will be connected to ground through NMOS. So here output y is equal to 0. So for the fourth case, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So when y is 0, then NMOS then does not conduct, because NMOS conducts when gate is at logic high. So NMOS does not conduct. But PMOS will conduct, because x is at 0. So PMOS conducts when gate is at logic low. So PMOS will conduct. So output will be connected to VDD, or output will be connected to logic high through this PMOS. So the output will be 1 VDD, and VDD is considered as logic high. So output is equal to VDD, and VDD is considered as logic high or 1. So it will be equal to 1. So when enable is equal to 0, then output is at high impedance state. When enable is equal to 0, then output is in high impedance state. So option A and option B, option A and option C cannot be correct, because for enable equal to 0, output is at high impedance state. And when enable is equal to 1, in this case, output is 0, and when enable is equal to 1 in this case, then output is 1. So for enable equal to 1, the output is equal to the input D. So for enable equal to 1, the output is equal to D. So the correct option is D. Because for enable equal to 0, the output is at high impedance. And for enable equal to 1, the output is equal to value of D. So the correct option is option B. So this was very easy question. We can easily solve it by considering that PMOS conducts when the voltage of gate is logic low, and when NMOS conducts when input of gate is logic high. So in first case, when x is 1, x is logic high and y is logic low, neither conducts. In the third case, x is 1, so PMOS does not conduct, y is 1, so NMOS conducts. And in the fourth case, x is also 0 and y is also 0, so PMOS conducts but NMOS does not conduct. So output will be equal to high in that case. So please like and share the video, and if you have any feedback or if you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment box. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and best of luck for exams.